Salam and welcome. Thank you for joining me in my latest book release, which is 365 Life Lessons for the Gen Z and Youth. So I share some of my life lessons. Alhamdulillah, I'm 66 years old, and I wish someone told me this when I was growing up. So this is for the Gen Z, the youth. Please tell your children and grandchildren to look at some of these videos, and thereby we can have a competitive edge in life, right? Ebooks available from the website. Introduction. Now that I am 65, like Alhamdulillah, I've turned now 66, I have learned so much about life that I often wonder, why didn't someone tell me this when I was growing up, right? I wish someone told me this. Maybe my life would have been different, or I would have made different choices with greater wisdom and insight. And in this series of books, I share with you my love and passion for the amazing human brain, and share with you, the Gen Z as well as the not so young Gen Z, some words of wisdom and life lessons. This book contains mainly practical life lessons passed down from a wise elder to the youth. Think of this as a fireside chat or at a barbecue or braai. Just assume that we're sitting, it's a nice, warm, cool evening. There's a little waterfall there, some koi fish in a pond, and we're just chilling out, having braai and braai millies and braai steak and so on, and we are just relaxing, right? No fluff, all facts, deep truth, and some lyrical flow. Quotes have the power to inspire, motivate, and empower us. Some short quotes can really resonate with us and help to lift our mood at the same time. While reading quotes on their own will not change our lives or achieve our goals, they can definitely help to change our mindset and thereby inspire us to action. I hope that these short quotations will inspire you as much as they have inspired me. Here is a summary of the wisdom contained in these bite-sized chunks as follows. First, know thyself before the world labels you. Before you chase titles, trends, or approval, first chase yourself. Find out who you are. That's very important, right? Others will be running all over the place. Figure out who you are when no one's watching. Don't be a copy-paste or a copycat of society's highlight reel. Ask yourself deep questions. What do I love? What keeps me busy? What do I fear? That is your personal compass. The world will try to define you and put you in a pigeonhole or a box. Beat it to the punch. Confidence doesn't come from applause, it comes from clarity. Sit in silence for 10 minutes a day and journal. Write down your thoughts. You must do this very important habit. Learn your own voice. Take time out for yourself to sharpen the saw, as per Dr. Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Remember this lesson as soon as possible. Life is supposed to be hard. Life is difficult. Everybody gets tested. That storm will definitely come when you least expect it. Sometimes it is not only the rain, but it is the combination of rain, hail, thunder, lightning, hurricane, cyclones, and tornadoes. This is Murphy's Law. It does not just rain, it pours. You have to be ready. Even though you are not prepared, there is no preparation for the storm. You learn through enduring the storm with a stoic mindset and an indomitable spirit. That inner lion inside you, the eagle that says, I will not give up. I will stand up and face the storm again and again and again. This is what I have been designed to do, for this is my life. Thank you for joining me. Join me in the next episode as we continue with 365 life lessons for the Gen Z. Stay well, look after yourself. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.